too. So today is my first time doing, well, this is my second time doing the Rolex, but the only thing I've been doing is doing the pins. I haven't really touched or really got into it. This is an actual Rolex. So all I'm doing is, I think, is the pin right here. So I'm about to see if I could fix that real quick. There wasn't too much to it. They just tightened it too much and it went out to the other side. That was a quick fix. All right. Yeah, because it was stiff. Still kind of stiff. Still kind of stiff. I think they just over tightened it. Yeah, it's loose now. Yeah, they just over tightened it. Yeah, that's all they did, over tightened it. Whoever did it. All right. That was a quick and easy fix. What's this? This is the Rolex Oyster. All right. This is what I'm gonna be doing from now on. I'm trying to get my watch game up, which I got a bunch of Fossil watches. That's my brand. That's what I like. This is someone I know, I love dearly, and this is what she has. She has Rolexes and stuff. So until next time, peace.